Hey guys, for today's video, we're going to talk about the Fibonacci sequence. So, who is Fibonacci? Fibonacci is an Italian mathematician whose real name is Leonardo Pisano, literally Leonardo of Pisa. This is because he was born in Pisa, Italy, with almost the same time when Italians started building the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. He exists around 1170 to 1250 and is said to be the greatest European mathematician of the Middle Ages. He traveled in Africa and some parts of Asia where he met different mathematicians. The origin of Fibonacci sequence. Saan nga ba ito nagmula? Fibonacci discovered the number of pairs of rabbits for any month after the first 2 months can be determined by adding the numbers of pairs of rabbits in each of the 2 previous months. At the beginning of the month, you are given a male and female pair of newborn rabbits. Rabbits take a month to mature before mating. This means that after a month, the rabbits have produced no offspring. However, every month thereafter, the pair of rabbits produces another pair of rabbits, which are male and female. The offspring reproduce in exactly the same manner. If none of the rabbits dies, how many pairs of rabbits will there be after one full of year? Take a look at the table to see a total pair of rabbits after 1 year, assuming none of the rabbit dies. Kung titignan mo ang table, may makikita ang mga number sa pinaka last row at ayan ang tinatawag na Fibonacci sequence. Ano nga ba ang Fibonacci sequence? What is Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci sequence is a number pattern that appears in many different places in nature. So, we all know to sequence. It's a pattern of numbers like you make when you count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But this sequence is different. This may sound like a random number, but they are all part of what is known as the Fibonacci sequence. You start with the number 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. From that point on, you keep adding up the last two numbers like this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And tuloy-tuloy mo lang ganun. The idea of this sequence is you get the next number by adding the two numbers that come just before it. Fibonacci sequence in nature. How it can relate Fibonacci sequence in nature. Look at the photo of the flower. Notice apparent spiral in the center of the flower. This spiral rotates both clockwise and counterclockwise. By counting them, 13 in counterclockwise and 21 in clockwise. Surprisingly, the numbers 13 and 21 are consecutive Fibonacci number. Itong mga nakikita natin sa flowers, hindi ito nagkataon lang. In fact, all sunflowers show a number of spirals that are within the Fibonacci sequence. In most flowers, we can see these numbers of petals that shows the Fibonacci sequence. And remember, not all flower petals follow the Fibonacci sequence. And I think that's it, guys. Diyan nagtatapos ang aking presentation about Fibonacci sequence. Thank you guys for watching and I hope natuto kayo sa aking video about Fibonacci.